Mechanical Feller-Buncher Operator. The following safe operating procedures and job training guidelines are a supplement to the owner's operating manual. Please make sure to review your operator's manual before operating. A Feller-Buncher is a powerful and mobile machine, either rubber-tired or tracked, with a power plant, operator enclosure, and an articulating extensible arm onto which a felling head is attached. The felling head consists of grappling devices and either a disc saw or chainsaw. The operator moves the machine into position in front of a tree and maneuvers the felling head to the tree trunk. The grappling devices wrap around the tree and the saw severs the tree from the stump. The machine then takes the severed vertical tree and lowers it into a horizontal position onto a pile or bunch of trees on the ground, hence the term Feller-Buncher. Hazardous conditions. Be aware of steep ground, frozen ground, rolling rocks, and getting on and off machine. Always use the handholds and 3 points of contact when getting on and off your machine. Required clothing for Feller-Buncher operator include hard hat, gloves, and work boots with non-skid soles. No emergency procedures, location of first aid supplies, and proper radio use. Always wear seatbelt when in operation. Before boarding your machine, always complete an inspection before boarding not only on your machine, but the work area as well. Know your boundaries and potential hazard areas. Operator should maintain communication with others via radio if Feller-Bunching operation is separate from the rest of the logging operation. Be aware of other people working on the ground in your area as well as other machinery. Stay at least 300 feet away. Keep outside track on firm footing. When machine is not in operation, always lower all raised equipment before leaving machine. Maintain a clean working area on deck and engine compartment. Escape windows must be in working order at all times. Operator must wear hard hat after exiting machine and working on machine or walking about job site. Always make sure to provide employees an on-site overview of logging operation. It is important that it is the operator's responsibility to recognize, repair, and/or inform supervisor of any deficiencies in operation. Understand safe procedure for servicing the sawhead. Emphasize using all safeguards, such as lockouts. The machine should be off when servicing the sawhead. When two people are troubleshooting a problem, make sure both people are aware of correct hand signals for machine operation, and the person operating the controls is absolutely aware of what happens when levers and buttons are pushed. Understand the proper methods for cutting uphill and downhill. Emphasize the need to clear your path, remove obstacles, and cut away high stumps. Know how changing soil conditions will affect stability of machine. Know how your machine will cut on steeper ground and how the trees can be safely skidded. Use common sense. Know your balance points and roll points of machine as slope increases. No tools will be carried in the cab. In the event of a rollover, loose material in the cab will cause quite a beating. Discuss moving of machine. Check brakes, steering, height restrictions, and other precautions of travel. Observe all general safety rules as stated in the Montana State Workers' Compensation Rules Relating to Logging and Logging Operations in Montana Handbook. This handbook can be found at the Montana Logging Association, located in Kalispell.